Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a room tour of the Cosmopolitan Terrace 1-bedroom suite. And this is actually the fountain view one. There's a bunch of Terrace suites, but this is the Terrace 1-bedroom suite. It's 720 square feet, and this one has a king bed and has panoramic views, separate bedroom, and a Japanese soaking tub. I think that's the highlight, but we'll talk about it later. So first off, we have these closets. It's lots of space. Like I don't know if you can actually utilize all the space, but lots of space. Really cute closet, really cute design. And here you have more space, your safe, your iron. And what's nice is look at how big this TV is, like this huge living room space, right? It's like great for entertaining. You can just close the door and basically have this entire space. And one of my favorite features of the Terrace Suite rooms are the buttons right next to your bedside that it controls all the lights. You can turn on whatever mood you feel like, turn off whatever. So you don't even have to get out of bed to turn off the lights, right? That's exactly what I want. And here we have the mini bar area. You have your snacks, your mini bar snacks. And remember, they have sensors. So if you take them out, anything in the mini bar as well in the fridge, if you take it out over, I don't know, like 5 seconds or something and you don't put it back, they will charge you automatically. Of course, everything is overpriced, so don't touch anything. Except water sometimes when I'm really desperate. But $11 for a Fiji water seems a little crazy. And they also have a separate fridge for you to use. So just in case you have leftovers or beverages, you can throw them in there. Let's check out the room. The bathroom is definitely one of the highlights of the suite. They don't have rainfall shower, but the bathroom tiles are so pretty, like the iridescent, so pretty. And one of the highlights of this room, honestly, is the Japanese soaking tub. This is like the highlight for me for this room, is this tub with this view. So you got a separate toilet with its own door. And these kids are bougie enough to put toilet paper in a little bag, a cloth bag. The shower and the bathtub are connected, so it's like one walkway. I just love the design of this room. I actually like this way better than the regular Terrace fountain suites, which are bigger and more, like, technically more expensive. But this one, if you only have 2 people, this is the suite for you. Yeah, even at night, the view is so gorgeous. Daytime, nighttime, so gorgeous. Let's talk about the balcony. The terrace, right? This is Terrace Suite. So this is probably the spot you want to be in when it's New Year's Eve and the fireworks are going. Like normally it's automatically already pretty because you have the fountain view, but this spot is so pretty. They have furniture for you to sit on. It's just really nice. And look at this nighttime view. Gorgeous. I'm not sure if there's any view that beats this one, honestly. And we got a really high floor too, so that's nice. Yeah, you can catch the fountain view. I mean, you can catch the Bellagio water fountain show every single night. Gorgeous.